A warm greetings to the viewers of KCGC. I am Monika Khanna, working as a science teacher in Khalsa College International Public School. First of all, I would like to thank Khalsa College Charitable Society for giving me an opportunity to speak on this platform. I would also like to thank my principal ma'am, Mrs. Nirmaljeet Kaur Gill ji, for her continuous guidance and support. Today, I am going to give a speech on very hot topic, that is global warming. All of you have heard about this, but what exactly is global warming? What are the causes and what are the effects of global warming? Global warming is the increase in the average temperature of the earth, or it is the heating effect of earth's climatic system. Now, two questions arises. Are we human beings responsible for this, or are the greenhouse gases responsible for global warming? Do you know that there are so many greenhouse gases that are responsible for global warming? What are greenhouse gases? The greenhouse gases are mainly carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbons, nitrous oxide, water vapor, ozone, and methane. These greenhouse gases trap the heat of the sun, makes it fit for human survival, because these greenhouse gases are so important for us, which makes the earth to live comfortably. But we human beings are adding too many greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Even a small increase in temperature could have a catastrophic effect on our planet. So, now we shall discuss what are the causes and what are the effects of global warming. First of all, plants. Plants are the main source of oxygen. Plants give us oxygen and release carbon dioxide, which maintains an ecological balance in nature. But we human beings are cutting the plants, trees for our basic needs. This is shameless act for us. Second, vehicles emit a large amount of carbon dioxide and other toxins into the environment, which lead to an increase in the temperature of the earth. Third is, humans are using too many ACs and refrigerators. These ACs emit chlorofluorocarbons into the atmosphere. These chlorofluorocarbons are so dangerous that they are depleting the ozone layer of our atmosphere. This ozone layer is a very important layer in the stratosphere, which protects us from harmful ultraviolet radiations of the sun. Next is overpopulation. Overpopulation is another cause of increase in the temperature of the earth. Number 5. Volcanic eruptions. Volcanic eruptions are the eruptions by which carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere by volcanoes. Now, what are the effects of global warming? First of all, due to an increase in the temperature of the earth, glaciers melt. Due to the melting of glaciers, we have facing that sea level is increasing day by day. There is also there are droughts at some places and floods at some places due to global warming. Second is there are many ecological imbalances due to global warming. Due to changes in the patterns of heat and humidity led to the movement of mosquitoes that carry and spread diseases from one area to another. So, as long as mankind will produce greenhouse gases, global warming will continue to accelerate. So, we all have to take steps together for a brighter future tomorrow. Global warming is the bane of our existence. Global warming is an evil which can only be fought together when we all take steps. It is the bane of our existence. So, we all take steps for our brighter future tomorrow. Exterminating global warming is of utmost importance. Various policies have come up worldwide to fight, but that is not enough. Understanding its import is now crucial before it becomes an irrevocable mistake. Now, let's join hands to stop it. As we all know, Mother Earth is in pain and ailing. So, let's join hands to stop it. Thank you.